Apple Pay works at millions of contactless payment terminals, while Walmart Pay is designed primarily for purchases inside Walmart stores. That difference matters more than any individual feature, because reliability starts with whether the payment method is accepted where you're shopping. By the end of this video, you'll know where each payment method works, which one is more dependable for everyday purchases, and which is the smarter choice for 2026. Here's the direct answer. If you want one mobile payment method that works across a wide variety of retailers that accept contactless payments, Apple Pay is generally the more reliable option. If you mainly shop at Walmart and want a payment method built into the Walmart app, Walmart Pay works well within that specific ecosystem. Let's look at Walmart Pay first. Instead of tapping your phone on a payment terminal, you open the Walmart app and scan the QR code displayed at checkout. Your saved payment method is then used to complete the purchase. Because it relies on Walmart's own checkout system, it works only at participating Walmart stores. Apple Pay works differently. On compatible Apple devices, you authorize the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, then hold the device near a contactless payment terminal. Since many retailers support contactless payments, Apple Pay is useful in grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, gas stations, and many other businesses that accept compatible tap-to-pay transactions. Here's where people get confused. They assume a payment method that works well in one store will work everywhere else. That's not how these services are designed. Walmart Pay is built specifically for Walmart. Apple Pay is built to work across many participating merchants using contactless payment technology. Take Alex as an example. He shops at Walmart every week and likes keeping receipts, payment methods, and Walmart purchases inside one app. Walmart Pay fits naturally into that routine because he's already using the Walmart app during checkout. Now consider John. He buys coffee in the morning, groceries after work, and occasionally shops at electronics stores or restaurants. He wants to use the same payment method throughout the day without thinking about which retailer he's visiting. Apple Pay is usually the better fit because it's accepted at many businesses that support contactless payments. Before deciding, think about where you actually spend your money. If most of your shopping happens at Walmart, using Walmart Pay may simplify checkout there. If you shop at many different retailers, Apple Pay offers greater flexibility because you can use the same payment method in more places that support compatible terminals. The bottom line is simple. Apple Pay is generally the more reliable everyday choice because of its broader acceptance at contactless payment locations. Walmart Pay remains a convenient option for shoppers who regularly buy from Walmart and prefer using the retailer's app. Choose the one that matches your shopping routine, not just the one with more features. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other payment app comparisons.